Go. Brothers, we have succeeded after more than 10 hours. Arrived at our Almaty. Tomorrow, we will go to the factory. Okay, so we are in Almaty today, a customer's home in Kazakhstan. This is for us. A dining table machine, the horse belly machine. Come once, a state of processing on site. Come on guys, let's turn the camera on. So what about this machine? It has a total of 18 levels. The front is 5 stereotypes. You can take a look. There are 5 stereotypes here. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is a function of a pull slot. What about the last 2? There are 2 45-degree polishes and 2 inside 45 degrees. And we have 8 face-to-face. Okay, come on. Let's take a look. An effect that has been processed. This is the belly of a dining table. Okay, come to us and you can see that there are 2 special shaped edging machines. Its main function is to grind the 4 corners of our dining table. Then let's take a look at a processing effect that the master is operating. We also have a 5+1 5-axis bridge saw from our Hoyun on site. Yes, you can see this bridge saw. This one of it contains 2 separate washing knives and one of our big saw blades. And what does it do? It's pretty tough. One, it allows us to do our normal tangent, rounded edge cutting, and washing holes. There is also copying and realizing copying for us. Now, one of the ongoing functions of our 5-axis bridge saw is to wash holes. That is, we have an independent knife washer. He is now opening his mouth to one of our quartz stone counters. Come on, let's take a close-up of our camera. What we have just shown is the function of a hole washing and opening of a machining center. So what do we do next? What I'm going to show you is the effect of 45 degrees of cutting. Come on.